Americano, extra ice, light water. You bake them here? Oh. Now the day started. Go do a Broadway shoot today. That's why I have all this makeup on. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna shoot this for a while. Broadway's biggest night is come and gone. Now this summer we're taking a look back at some of our best. I don't know how many times today I've changed. Every time I can walk somewhere instead of ride somewhere, I try to. I have an appointment with Dr. Doris Day.
Hi, you look so beautiful. This is your work. Well, I take full credit. I always say your mother gave birth and I'll take credit for the rest.
I'm not trying to take it away. I'm trying to soften it, bite it down hard.
Yes, second makeup you ask? Going to dinner and getting my nails done before that because they haven't been done for a month. So I can barely type. Final outfit change of the day.
Oh my God.
Stay to the left, Henry Hudson Parkway North.
I was